Hey guys, what's up? What's happening? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be doing muscle ups. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do a muscle up in step by step. So basically muscle ups is a pull and push movement. So we're gonna break it down in certain forms and I'm gonna teach you from the basics, from the scratch, like how to do a muscle ups. So a beginner who wants to learn muscle up, the first thing that he has to keep in his mind that he should be able to do at least 10 pull-ups. 10 to 15 pull-ups if he has in his pocket, then it's easy for him to learn the muscle ups. If you're struggling to do pull-ups, then muscle ups it's not gonna happen. It's gonna be very hard for you to achieve muscle ups without pull-ups. So that's the first thing what you need to understand, that you need good amount of pull-ups to do a muscle up. So without wasting any time, let's get back to the business and start the muscle up progression. So the first progression what I'm going to be telling you going to be very simple. We are going to be doing a jump muscle up, which looks like this, which I'm going to show now. So guys, so jump muscle ups looks like this, which I'm going to show you now. So it's very simple. Get onto the bar which is close to your height or below your height. Grab the bar and then jump all the way up above the bar. So just think that you're climbing an elevated surface. So when you're climbing an elevated surface, what you do is you go far away from the bar and you push forward. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So grab the bar. So from here, 3, 2, 1 and jump. Okay, so one more time, 3, 2, 1 and you jump and then push. So there are two things which is happening here. The first thing is you jumping up all the way up here. From here you're doing a transition and then you're doing a dip. So it's as simple as that. So you're gonna grab the bar and then in 3, 2, 1 pull yourself up, and then as soon as you pull yourself, you do the transition, you externally rotate your elbows outwards and then push from there. Okay, once more, in 3, 2, 1 jump and then push. So guys, the next progression which we're going to be doing is high pull-ups. So high pull-ups comes with a good amount of explosive strength which you develop from doing pull-ups. So high pull-ups is achieved by doing a lot of weighted pull-ups and explosive pull-ups. So let me just show you what is high pull-ups are. So high pull-ups looks like this. You grab the bar and you keep a bit of false grip. You don't keep your grip like this. You go a little false. You keep it like this. And from here you swing forward and then you pull yourself all the way up. I'm just gonna show. So grab the bar, swing forward and then, so that's a high pull up. It's an explosive movement where you generate power from your lats and your forearms and then you pull yourself all the way up. The best technique which I know for the high pull-ups are using a false grip. So basically you don't keep your grip normal like this, you keep it a little more false. So basically it looks like this. Here your wrist goes like this. Okay, from here you take a swing and then pull. So now you might have a question that how to achieve high pull-ups. So that's the thing, if beginners are starting their calisthenics journey and you want to learn muscle ups, you have to go through high pull-ups. Without high pull-ups, there is no way that you will be able to do a clean muscle ups. So to develop high pull-ups, you need to first achieve at least 10 to 12 pull-ups, and once you achieve 10 to 12 pull-ups, you can go for a high pull-ups. So you can use bands. This is 15 kilo band and this is 25 kilo resistance band. You can use bands to achieve high pull-ups. So you take the band and you put it on top, and then you bring it down, keep it below your legs, keep it below your foot, and then use the same technique which I told you. False grip, go forward and then pull. So here what's happening is the band is pulling you up. So basically band is providing you that resistance for you to go up, where your muscle is, where you're building that mind and muscle connection for the high pull-ups. So you're also building the technique and yeah, even the strength for you to do a high pull-up. So guys, the next progression for muscle ups, I won't call this as a progression, but you have to do this exercise for you to achieve muscle ups. But if you don't do this also, like, you can achieve muscle up, but it's better to do this. So it's called as straight bar dips. It strengthens your front deltoids and your triceps, so it will be easy for you to do muscle ups. So you take a single bar. On the single bar you go all the way on top like this, and then you go all the way down 90, and then you push 1, 2. So this is straight bar dip. So yeah, you do this for multiple sets and reps and condition your front deltoids and triceps. It will help you for the last range of motion of muscle ups. So the last range will be after the transition, and then you push yourself up. So yeah, for that part, this exercise is gonna help you. So yes. Okay guys, now we're gonna be doing a next progression of muscle up. So that's gonna be assisted muscle ups. So assisted muscle ups, we're gonna be using bands. We're going to be using bands 15 kilo and 25 kilo according to your strength. You know, you can try both of the bands, whichever is convenient for you and whichever it's helping you more to push. So I'm going to be taking 15 kilo band just to show you guys how to do an assisted muscle ups. First things first, we're going to keep the band on top of the bar, and then you're going to pull it down all the way down and get the band below your foot, and then the same technique, falls, and then you go forward and then you explode. So the technique behind the muscle up is, when you're doing a muscle up, you need to breathe, take a deep breath, you swing forward, and then suddenly while you going up, breathe out, so you feel a little light. So we're going to use the same technique, breathe in, go forward, swing forward, and then as soon as you come back and you're trying to do an explosive pull-up, you breathe out. Okay? So the same thing, what we're going to be doing, swing, okay? So guys, you need to also understand that you need to keep your body hollow. So hollow means you're going to tuck your core in, and then you're going to keep it hollow. Once you break your core, like, you know, your hips will go back and you try to, like, you know, kip. So kipping means you're gonna like get your legs up and then you might kip. There are so many chances where you do like a chicken wing muscle up, where you get yourself up and then get your one hand forward and the other hand up and then you push. That will impact your shoulders a lot and you might get injured. So don't do that. Follow the steps, follow the progressions. And if you want, you can also use 25 kilo band, a higher resistance. There is 35 kilo band also. You can use these bands to do muscle ups. You don't have to worry about you getting muscle ups, but you need to worry about not skipping the progressions. So I'm again going to show you from the side angle how it's done. Get it down. False grip, and then go forward and then up. So guys, now we're going to be doing the next progression. The next progression will be keeping muscle ups. So one thing you need to keep in your mind, that once you get 5 to 6 reps of banded muscle ups, assisted muscle ups, then you can attempt for keeping muscle ups. So I'm going to be showing you what is keeping muscle ups. So keeping muscle up is to keep your knees up and then wave your body forward and then go up. So I'm just going to show you the same technique you're going to be using, but you're going to keep your legs in. So go forward in 3, 2 and 1. So guys, the technique behind the keeping muscle ups is very simple. You need to use the same technique what you used for assisted muscle ups when you're doing with the band. So once you get like that 6 reps, be confident, take a deep breath, move forward, swing forward, and then generate as much as power as you can, and then you pull yourself up. While pulling yourself up, just get your knees up and then wave your upper body up forward, and then you'll get the keeping muscle ups. So basically keeping muscle up is just to like boost your confidence to achieve the clean muscle ups. You can't be satisfied with the keeping muscle ups, and I don't suggest you to achieve keeping muscle ups and be satisfied in life. So yeah, so keeping muscle ups is just to like get that sense of satisfaction in your mind that okay, all this hard work I did, all these progressions I achieved, just that 1% of satisfaction of you achieving that muscle up. So it's just that you need to keep that in mind, that keeping muscle ups are gonna like get me to the clean muscle ups as fast as possible. So you're not done yet, you need to still achieve the clean muscle ups, which I'm going to be showing you now. So guys, for the clean muscle ups, we're going to memorize what and all we did from the starting, the progressions, and we're just going to combine everything and perform the clean muscle ups. The technique behind clean muscle ups is very simple. First thing is explosiveness of your lats, the power which is generated from your lats, the pull strength. Explode as much as you can. While exploding, make sure that you keep your both the legs together. Okay, so that's very important. So you're gonna keep your both the legs together, keep your core tight, grab and then pull yourself up. Okay, it's that simple. If you have good amount of strength in your lats, it's very easy to keep your to achieve a clean muscle up. So again, keep your both the legs together, dead hand to a little false grip, squeeze your core and then you pull yourself up. Okay, now we're going to be doing a clean muscle up. So this is how it looks. Grab the bar, falls and then forward, 3, 2 and 1. So guys, yeah, that's how a clean muscle up looks. So one thing what you guys need to understand is, when you see this video, it won't be as simple as how I'm doing now, because I've been training from a very long time. I've been training from past 5 years. So what you guys have to do is, you need to be doing, you guys need to do the same progression multiple times with sets and reps. For example, if you're doing jump muscle ups, you need to do that for a consecutive weeks until you clean up the form. For example, high pull ups, you need to be doing high pull ups for multiple times for sets and reps throughout the week, at least twice or thrice in a week, for you to achieve clean high pull ups. If the high pull ups are not happening, you need to again break down into basics like pull ups, Australian pull ups or weighted pull ups, and increase your strength and then go for a high pull up. So one thing you need to understand, this is a skill, and skill won't come in one day. It's not like an exercise, it's not like a dumbbell which you keep in your hands and then you pump. So it's not going to be like that. So skills will only be achieved with consistency training and you building that hunger towards the skill. The more hunger you build towards the skill, easily the skill will be coming to you. So manifest the skill, visualize the skill in your mind every day, and then one day you will achieve a clean muscle ups. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video and it was very informative for you guys. I hope this video will help you to achieve the muscle ups that you want. So if you like the video and if you feel if it's informative, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video for the people who want to learn muscle ups. And yeah, that's all about it. I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video, and then just comment down whatever you want to watch and whatever you want to learn for the next YouTube video. I'll be doing that. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.